This video provides an overview of the DEUTZ BA8M528 engine specifications. This used engine model, manufactured in 1981, operates at 1,000 RPM with a power output of 1101 kilowatts. We offer a wide range of genuine used spare parts for the DEUTZ BA8M528 engine. Our inventory includes primary components like the crankshaft, bedplate, engine block, camshaft, and fuel pumps, along with various other essential maintenance parts. Here we see the technical data plate for the generating set, detailing its manufacturing year, electrical capacity, and operational parameters. This plate shows additional engine identification details, including the specific type and serial number for this unit. This image displays the main engine block assembly, highlighting the robust structural design of the DEUTZ BA8M528. This view shows the side profile of the engine, including the air intake and associated piping systems. The engine is equipped with a Woodward Type UG8 governor, which manages speed settings and load limits for consistent operation. Finally, this image features the Brown, Boveri & Company turbocharger, a critical component for engine performance.